Hey Tom, how are you doing today?
I'm good, Ella. How about you?
I'm doing great, thanks. And hello to everyone watching. Welcome back to our English conversation practice.
Yes, welcome. If you're new here, we make simple, real conversations to help you practice English in everyday situations.
So Tom, what are we learning today?
Today's topic is one of the most useful ones: how to order food and drinks at a restaurant.
Ooh, I love that. Everyone eats out sometimes, and it's so important to know the right words.
Exactly. So let's imagine you and I are going out to eat at a restaurant right now. Ready?
Ready. Wow, this place looks cozy. What do we usually say when we first walk into a restaurant?
Normally, the host or waiter will greet you. You can say something like, "Table for two, please," or "Can we get a table by the window?"
Oh, so I should start with table for two, please? That's simple.
Exactly. And if you booked ahead, you can say, "I have a reservation under Ella."
The waiter just gave us menus. What's a good phrase to ask for a little more time?
You can say, "Can we have a few more minutes, please?" Or simply, "We're not ready yet."
That's useful. And when I'm ready, I just say, I'd like the grilled chicken, please. Right?
Yes. Or, "I'll have the pasta." Notice we say, "I'll have" or "I'd like." Both sound polite.
Okay, let me try. I'll have the grilled chicken with vegetables, please.
Perfect. And don't forget drinks. You can say, "Can I get a glass of water?" Or, "I'd like an orange juice."
What if I want to ask for no ice?
Just add, "With no ice, please." For example, "Can I get a Coke with no ice, please?"
This looks good, but how do I check if something is vegetarian?
Easy. You can ask the waiter, "Is this dish vegetarian?" Or, "Does this have meat in it?"
And if I want extra sauce?
Say, "Can I get some extra sauce on the side?"
Nice. By the way, if you're enjoying this conversation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We make real English conversations like this every week. I'm full. How do I ask for the bill?
In American English, people say, "Can I get the check, please?" In British English, it's, "Can I have the bill, please?"
Oh, so both are correct depending on the country.
Exactly. And if you want to split it with a friend, you can say, "Can we get separate checks?" Or, "Can we split the bill?"
Do people usually say thank you to the waiter?
Absolutely. You can say, "Thank you. Everything was great." Or just say, "Thanks. Have a nice day." And don't forget tipping if you're in the US.
Got it. This was fun, and now I know how to survive in a restaurant.
Perfect. And friends, if you found this conversation helpful, make sure you subscribe so you never miss our English practice.
And we'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite food or drink to order at a restaurant?
Write it in the comments so you can practice your English and share with us.
Yes, we always read your comments, and it's a great way to keep learning together. Thanks for joining us today. See you in the next conversation.
Bye, everyone.